Welcome everyone to your 10-minute easy morning chair yoga routine. Sit up straight, sit more on the edge of the chair, begin your yoga breathing, and just be here now. Now when you're ready, take your arms to your sides. As you're breathing in, raise your arms up, and exhale, let your arms gently float back down to your sides. Again, inhale, let the arms come up, and as you're breathing out, let the arms float back down to the sides. And one more time, let the inhale guide your arms up above, and exhale, bring them back down. Good. Pause for a moment. Notice your breathing. Now again, we're going to bring the arms to the sides. On the inhale, raise your arms up. This time we're going to bring the palms together and right in front of the heart, interlacing your fingers. Extend the arms out and then breathe in, raise the arms up. As you're breathing out, let your arms gently return to the sides. And again like this, inhale, arms up, palms touch above you. Exhale, palms in front of the heart. Interlace your fingers, extend your arms. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms float back down to the sides. And one more like this. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms right in front of the heart. Center yourself. Extend the arms out. Inhale, arms up. Chin is down. Exhale, arms to the sides. And again, let your palms rest in your lap and relax. Now we're going to try to step the feet wider apart. Our hands are going to be on our thighs with the fingers to the inner thighs. You're just going to inhale and arch your chest up, lift the head and look up. When you're breathing out, round your back, tuck the belly in and the chin into the chest. Inhale again, arch the back upward, lifting the chest. Exhale, pull it in. Stretch the back. Inhale, arch. Good, lengthen the spine, arch upward. Exhale, round and draw in. Good, come back to a natural position. Hands on the thighs. Pause for a moment. Now we're going to put our left hand on the side of your chair. We're going to raise the right arm up, and as you're breathing out, you're just going to stretch over to your left to your own degree. Use your left hand on the chair for support. Give yourself a nice stretch along the right side of your body. Continue to breathe fully and freely. When you're ready, come up and switch sides. Left arm up, stretch it over to the right, and enjoy that nice stretch in the left side of your body. Let your breath be full, fluid, and free-flowing. Good. Now when you're ready, come back up. Let both arms come to your sides and let your hands again rest in your lap. Just continue to sit up straight and enjoy your breathing. Now we're going to take the left hand across to your right thigh. The right hand can be holding the back of your chair, and we're just going to twist to your right. So we're not only lengthening through the spine and rotating mostly in the middle back, we're also turning our head to your degree to look back over your right shoulder. Make sure that there's no strain, that you're enjoying your practice this morning, and breathe. Now when you're ready, come back to the center and do the other side. Right hand holding left thigh, left hand on your chair behind you if you can. You're twisting to your left, just kind of wringing things out this morning. This should feel good, very healthy for the small muscles along our back, between the vertebrae. Just try to keep breathing full breaths, slow, calm breaths in and out. Now when you're ready, come back to face the front, and you're going to step your feet in so that they're just about a natural hip distance apart, just like we would do for a standing mountain pose. We're going to cross the arms in front of us, just like you're giving yourself a hug, and we're going to stand up on the in-breath. When you're breathing out, gently sit back down, just don't crash down. On your inhalation, stand up. And as you're breathing out, just gently sit down. Inhale, stand up. Exhale, sit down with control. And let your hands return to your lap. Good. Close your eyes again and just enjoy your breathing. Now we're going to draw the right knee into the chest. I've extended my left foot out a little bit more, and we're going to try to guide the right foot so it's resting on the top of your left thigh like you're sitting cross-legged, and then you can bring your left foot in for a little bit deeper stretch. Your left hand is holding your left foot, the right hand is embracing your right knee, and you can also try to lean forward a little bit if you'd like, but what we really want to do here is just give our right foot a little massage with your left hand. Our feet don't usually get this sensation. And then we're going to twist to the right again with your left hand holding the top of your right foot. And then we're just going to come back to center. Let's uncross the right foot. You can extend your right leg out a little bit, bring the left ankle on top of the right thigh, and then you can adjust your right foot in a little bit. Then again, you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to massage your left foot a little bit, give it a little bit of love, work out any tension, any kinks, and you could also lean forward a little bit if you'd like to enjoy a little bit deeper stretch into the left hip. And just breathe here, my friends. Now, if you have leaned forward, come back up. Your right hand is going to come across to the left knee, and you're just going to twist to your left. So you can put your right hand wherever it feels good. You can have it at your foot, at the knee, or whatever you'd like to do. And then we're going to uncross the legs again. We're going to sit with the legs spread out wide and the hands resting gently upon your knees with the palms turned upward. Now we're just being still. We're still sitting up straight, and we're just going to enjoy just some nice breaths. In, right up to the top, pause for a moment, and then breathe out all the way down to the bottom without force, without strain. Let it be comfortable and joyful for you. And notice how wonderful it is to be alive in this moment, right here, right now. All right, my friends, bring your palms together in front of your heart. Honor yourself for doing your practice today, and have a good day. Blessings and namaste.